Okay, welcome everybody. It's Uncle Dave from DEECEE'S Adventures, and I am coming to you with an introduction video to a brand new series we're about to start here at DEECEE'S Adventures. This series is going to be entitled Plant Identification with Uncle Dave. The entire series we will be using my favorite field guide for the area that I'm in. I've used this field guide for many years. I've carried the extra weight in my pack for many hikes, and I really love this field guide. It's part of the Peterson's Field Guides series, and their series of books. They make field guides for all around the world. This one is the edible wild plants of eastern and central North America, which is exactly where we are. So this series will look at some wild edibles, we'll look at some plants that can be used medicinally, and then we'll look at some plants that are poisonous as well, so you can identify those. This series is going to consist of a lot of videos, so stay tuned, and I guess might as well start this series off with a plant, and one that still is bearing fruit that it's been holding on to all winter. It's called the Partridge Berry, and yeah, I think I know where there's one right now, so we're going to go take a look at that, and we'll open the book to the page that the Partridge Berry's in. We'll take a look at that, we'll take a look at any pictures and what they have for a description there, and then we'll look at the plant itself. So, I'll be right back. Alright, here we are. Let's see if we can get a good view of that. Alright, Partridge Berry. Twin, pink, or white, four-petaled flowers at the end of a creeping stem produce a single red berry. Leaves paired, roundish, and may vagrant with whitish lines. Found in moist woods, which is where we are, and most areas in eastern and North America, or North America is what it's referring to there. Flowers from May to July, fruits from July to winter. Use: nibble salad. Dry, seedy berry makes a colorful, if tasteless, addition to a salad. Okay? And this is the illustration they have here for it, which is pretty good. But it also says here that there is a colored picture on palette 15. So we'll go over to palette 15 and look at that right now. Okay, gotta hold on to all the pages. Like I said, I've traveled with this book for many years, so the pages are all falling out of this colored section. But that's the picture that they're showing there, which really you should be identifying it by the leaves, and I don't think there's a very good picture of the leaves there. That flower is only present for a couple of weeks in May and June. And I don't think we'll see them today. I don't think any of them will have flowers, but they should still all be holding on to their berries from last year. They've been holding on to them all winter. So it's a potential edible that you can collect all winter long. And that's what it says there. You guys have plenty of time to read it there. Pause it if you don't. And yeah, let's go check out this plant. Alright, here it is. I found an excellent specimen. This is actually a whole large patch, and it's a creeper, like it said, so you can see it's creeping all through all this. And it kind of creeps like poison ivy would, but it gets a little thicker than that. But here's a great example of what this plant looks like. See, there's dual leaves here. You can see the white lines here. And right at the end of this whole thing is the red berry, which I was surprised. I thought the squirrels were going to get to it. There's a bunch of them though. See? You can see these berries everywhere. So it's pretty easily identifiable, and these berries they come on the plant in July and then last all the way until it's May 2nd right now. They have a little teeny bit of a sweet taste in the middle, but they're pretty much just like a spongy kind of berry, and they don't really have much going on with them. But easy to identify, I think. It's called the Partridge Berry, one more time. Creeps all through, so you can see it creeping. It's really viney, and their berries hold on all the way through the winter. So if you know where these patches are, in the winter you can dig them up. Yeah, it doesn't really taste like anything. I just ate that one and it doesn't really taste like anything at all here. So, there it is. Partridge berry. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next Plant ID with Uncle Dave and DC's Adventures. There's another little patch too, and this is right at the entrance to my property. But, yeah, you know, these videos that I do in spring, maybe when I get a little bit of video of them when they have flowers on them later in the season, I'll re-edit the videos and show you what the flowers look like in the same video. But it does have dual white flowers is what I saw in these last year. Once again, thank you for joining us. Catch you on the next video.